Okay, let me share something. Hold on. I got a lot of things open now.
Udah jadiin co-host ya, guys? Oke, udah.
Yes. Everybody can see my
Graphic design
slide?
and media. Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Oh, okay.
Sama jurusan aku.
Yeah, okay. Hello, good morning, everybody. Okay, my name is Smita, and I have a partner, Sir Bayu. Sir Bayu is in the room 617. There you go. Okay, let me introduce a little bit, or not introduce, but I'm gonna storytelling about GDNM. Yeah, let me. It's okay. Okay, that's the okay. I'm sorry. That's the our teams in here. That's me as a Mita Purbasari, then the one that you see before is Bayu Dirgantoro. Okay, there's also you're gonna have Jane Basiruns, yeah. You're gonna have Jane Basirun, Dilakana. Maybe Dilakana is here, Dil. Emmanuel Saptaputra, then we can call him like Sir M, yeah. Lalu and then so Will Dant, we call him Will, and also there's a Taufik. Taufik help us for the studio. Yeah. Okay. Then that's a vision, mission, and program objective. I think you can read this, yeah. But the most important things that I'm sorry if I have to say that we're gonna force you, yeah, we're gonna push you to do something, yeah, to do a lot of projects, something like that. Then we hopefully if the situation, if the pandemic is already done, then we can go together outside, yeah, to do the immersion. And you have gonna have a lot of things of for the what do you call that the exhibition, yeah. Don't forget we really love development of local resource, yeah. Then you're gonna see for every course gonna have the project, and the project is related to the local wisdom, yeah. Don't forget about that. Even though we go to global things, but still we have to raise the local wisdom as on our strength, yeah. Because you know, if you do something that looks at ethnic things, yeah, that's it's gonna be sexy for us, yeah. If you have your project with the local wisdom, and then you bring it up to the global, yeah. Okay, then okay. As you know that we are in the dual awards program, yeah, means that we have a partner, yeah. There's a Northumbria University. They have a mandatory class, yeah, for every semester. They gonna come to, yeah, they gonna come to Binus. But since we are in the pandemic situation, then it's gonna do in the online. There is a two requirement actually. You can choose 3.1, yeah, program, or 4.0. And if you go to the Northumbria things, yeah, that means you choose a 3+1 program. There is the requirement that your GPA minimum is have to 3.0, yeah. Then you don't have any, what do you call that? you don't have any class behind that, yeah, if you go. Then you have the portfolio review, also the interview with a lecturer. Yeah, that's the requirement that you have to fulfill. Why you have to be in GPA minimum 3.0? Because I know if you go there, you're gonna be alone over there. Yeah, maybe you have a friend, but we're gonna have a lot of things that not usually you do in Indonesia. Yeah, you're far away from your friends, far away from family. Maybe you can get culture shock over there. Yeah, then you have to stay alone. That if you don't have the good self management, yeah, with the time, with the work, then means that I think it's gonna be hard for you to handle your emotion over there, yeah, for yourself and for your work also. And if you choose for stay 4 years in Jakarta with us, that's mean you have to follow the enrichment program, yeah, and then focus for your final project, yeah. But still, you still have North Umbria's lecturer for in the last years, yeah. Okay. Now we start with the streamings. Yeah, I know that some of you may be still confused which one I have to choose, yeah, graphic design or IDM, the interactive digital media. The things is it's gonna be start in the second years. So that's mean in the first years you're gonna have the same what do you call that? The same course, yeah. Why you have, because the first years is the first the 1 year that you can, what do you call that? You can make sure yourself that you're gonna go to the graphic design or interactive. Yeah, interactive and graphic design, there's something is really different. Yeah, what is the differences? If you go to graphic design, all I think say what the project is go with the printed media. It means that you have to print all the things like the branding, the publishing. Yeah, the publishing means that you create a book, yeah, or maybe you get yeah, mostly it's a book, yeah. Then you go to the with the packaging, yeah, with the poster ad, with the illustration. Bye.
I mean,
Don't do that.
basically,
You scare me.
I'm still checking a new camera, so.
Okay.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
This one. Okay. For the interactive digital media, that's all based on the screen-based media. Yeah, screen-based media, it means that you don't need to print it, yeah, but you have to done everything on the screen, on the monitor, such as websites, application, apps, yeah, games, and new technology. And to be honest, yeah, start this year that printed media, I mean the graphic designs gonna have the website also, yeah, and something that can move. I don't know, what do you call that, by motion or something like that?
It should be what we call a kinetic typography. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Or
What do you call that?
Yeah.
The technical to do that. I mean, if your website is a website, but the things that the kinetic things that you can move the image, right?
Yeah, it's a motion graphic thing.
Oh yeah, see, yeah, that's start this year. So you're gonna have those things on the maybe on the semester 5, or I forgot about it. But you're gonna have it, yeah. So don't get jealous with the IDM's student, yeah. You're gonna have it anyway, but only in the surface. Okay. Okay, maybe this is the GDNM pathways. Yeah, I can say that the first years, yeah, you're gonna have the whole things together, and then on the second years, you're gonna have to choose which one you like. Yeah, which one not only like a things. That is something that you're really patient on it. Yeah, you really love it. Yeah, you choose in the graphic design or you interactive digital media stream, and that goes with the second. Year 2 and year 3, and then for the last year, for the year 4, that you can choose, you go to the North Umbria or you're gonna stay with us in Binus. Both of them, if you go to North Umbria or you go study in Binus, both of them's gonna have the dual award anyway. Yeah, don't worry about that. I think I have to say from the beginning that you're gonna get the North Umbria certificate, yeah, North Umbria awards if you finish your work for NU. Yeah, if you never come to their class, you never do their work, that means you can fail. Yeah, so what we can suggest is please do whatever is North Umbria asks. Yeah, you have to finish it fulfill. Yeah. So means that the dual award, it's not comes with the as a gift. No. Yeah, you have to force to get it. Yeah. Okay, I think I go with the project example. Yeah. I know you already seen this, yeah, maybe some of you. This is this is for the first years, yeah, first years class. That's the project for first year, based on the illustration. Remember, you don't have to be the what do you call that? Have the perfect illustrator, yeah. You, if you some of you thinks that you don't, you cannot drawing, yeah, you can learn it, yeah. We're gonna have like three drawing classes, yeah, three in 3 semester. Then this is for the books, yeah. You can see this is the GDNM project, I think, yeah. This is the books. That's a cards, yeah. Then and the packaging, you can see that, yeah. Packaging is something that 3-dimensional. Okay. Then this is, can we play this by?
Yeah, it should be playable. Just to clarify before that, the illustration one, Miss Mita, that's supposed to be on some year 2 program. It's illustration design class.
Yeah, yeah, okay. I don't know. There's something in my internet, I think.
Yeah. Hold on, let me just check if I can share mine, because I'm already downloaded.
Oh, okay.
All right. Yeah, I'm the co-host now, so I can share my screen, Miss Mita.
Okay, I'm sorry, everybody. Maybe I stop share, yeah.
Yeah.
So you can share it. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Right. Let me try share my screen.
Let's see what we have to in the new media. I mean, what do you call that? In the website class, yeah.
What? Where were we?
I think
this one.
Oh, there you go. Personal website, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's an example of the website project. I think this is second year project, yeah, from the IDM student. So so that's an example of the website. She made it. Ini siapa yang buat ya, Cliffy? I totally forgot about this one. Jessia or who made this? Yeah. Well,
Nobody knows.
I forgot.
Not you.
I think it's Jessia, but I'm not sure. But yeah, so she made it as if the website looks as your desktop basically. Yeah, so it's quite interesting project. Now, second one, this is the example of a screen design development project. It's a game. We used Unity for this one. This is Angela's work. Right, hold on. This camera is too fancy. I cannot concentrate.
Take it easy.
Oh my God, Venus.
Sir, you get to game.
Oh well, there you go, much easier. Right.
There you go. Okay.
So yeah, so this is example of the game project that a student done. So basically, taking out a classroom book, studying about monocots and dicots, and then she made it into a matching game, things like that. Yeah. So it's an example of the project that made. All right, so Miss Mita, do I have to continue or do you wanna?
Up to you. Yeah, okay, I can continue. Okay, then after that, this is the drawing room. Yeah, if you see that, it's really maybe another person like Yvonne, yeah, Haynes. Maybe you know that room is really well. Yeah, it's quite big and really. I think for me it's really nice. We have the unique class, yeah, not just the regular things, yeah. And then after that, the next one is the photography studio class, yeah. We have a small room for class, and the other thing is the equipment completed with the camera and the light. And then the pre-press printing studio, we have this. You can do something with the you can cut your paper over there, yeah. Yeah, we have the, what do you call that? We have the knife for the paper cutting, yeah. And also we have you be able to print something in the A3. Am I right, Bay?
Yes.
Yeah, you be able to do that, yeah. Just come to pre-press printing room, then you can print over there, yeah. And then we have the design studio, yeah. Mostly of our class is a design, something like this, yeah. Mostly you have the Mac over there. You can work with your computer in the class, or if you use your own laptop, then you can use the other table. Okay.
Ms. Mita, I think we're going to have a campus tour after this, so I can have a look for each of the room later on.
Okay, yeah? That looks good. Okay.
Cool.
Then we can go again, and this is another room, yeah. Near a lobby. Then next.
Miss Mita.
Yes.
For the printing press, we can go to Binus to do the printing press.
Pre-press, or you
printing.
mean the printing? Okay. Yeah.
The printing, you can go to Binus.
If there's something for your work, yeah, go ahead.
Or you can go to Binus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you go to because we are now is a online course, means that you don't need to print all. You don't need to print your work, not yet.
Just the printing press work only in Binus.
Actually, no. Actually, you can do the printing in Binus, but not this semester. Maybe next semester.
Oh, semester 2, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, in semester 2 with.
You're gonna start it, yeah.
Right, next.
Okay. Then also we have the auditorium. It's really nice. not that big, but it's really nice. We have can put we are all together. Yeah, here we can a lot to do here. Yeah, if you have the event, you want to have the seminar, you can use the auditorium. Okay. Yes. Okay, and this is the guest lecturer for industry. Usually we have that, yeah. That's a workshop in student lounge. You're gonna know because in FX, our campus is not that big, so you can when we have the event, you can join with them, yeah. Okay, it's really nice to have this. This is the online discussion, yeah. This is the new one, yeah, Bye.
Yeah, just last semester we got this a bit of discussion with the industry. One of them is from Bandung. Her team made a game called Ghost Parrot that has been released in for PS4, Switch, and I think on Steam as well. So we have a really good opportunity to meet the team.
Yes. Okay. Sounds good. Okay, and this is the annual trip. Usually we have the trip, yeah. So unfortunately we cannot do this in this year, yeah, because we have the pandemic. It's usually go in the second year, yeah,
second year, third year already.
Second years, yeah.
Visits.
Yeah. Visit the design studio, the local design studio. Okay. Next, and this is a gallery visit as a part of a North Umbria class. Like last time we go to Macan, yeah.
Museum Macan, is it? Yeah.
Museum Macan. No, this one is not. But the last time we went to the Museum Macan together, yeah. And this is it's really nice. Okay, next. And this is we also go to we have the immersion trip, yeah. We go to the Disney Studio in Singapore. It's not this one was not mandatory, yeah. So you can if you like to improve to the development yourself, then you can join with the.
Yeah, normally we got a quota, something like if more than 5 or more than 10 people registered, and then we can go all together to the Singapore, to immersion trip to Singapore to visit various studios there.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is a portfolio days out. They usually happen in the semester 5, yeah. Before you go to internship, that internship is the in the 6 years, yeah. 6 semester, sorry. Then the portfolio days out is going to be in the 5, yeah. And this is the one that, yeah, the one is really big. Portfolio days out. This is last year, yeah.
This is supposed to be 2 years ago, I think.
2 years ago, yeah.
2 years ago. Yeah, so basically on this one, students exhibit their works, and then we also goes to the industry, and industry look at those portfolio directly and talk to the student as well, whether they want to hire them as intern or not.
Yeah, that's mean that okay, maybe I can say that we sell, yeah, we sell you guys, yeah, to someone that want to choose you as a staff. Okay, next, Bye.
Next.
Okay, that's it is already like how many years? It's 3, 4 years.
Yeah, it's been a long time, but normally we have this Comic-Con exhibition every year, but not for this year though. But we normally get a booth, and then we expose our student work there as well. they're selling their stuff as well. So yeah, it was a good opportunity, and hopefully next year we can start doing this Comic-Con exhibition again.
Yeah, but not this year.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, next. Okay, this is our exhibition also in the New Blood Festival London. Yeah, this is happened because we have a collaboration with the Northumbria. Yeah.
Yeah, so basically what we do here is we collect some of the best student work, and then we send it to Northumbria, and then we share the booth with them to exhibit the work, students' work, basically, yeah, in London. This is supposed to be an annual program, so hopefully next year we can start this again.
Yes. Okay, and this is our student, yeah, over there.
Yeah. Yeah, this is an example of final year student work in Northumbria. Yeah, so they have to display their final work and then, you know, explain their thing there. You know, what they do, what the concept, and what's the final output. Yeah. So it should be the same if you study with us as well. Yeah, we do have similar thing like this. So whatever pathway you choose, you always need to have an exhibition at the end of the day. Yeah.
Okay. And this is the competition. Yeah, the competition that I think yeah, we got this, yeah, by I think the ASPAC, yeah, the Asian Student Packaging Design Competition. Yeah, we usually have this. This is already in 3 times a row. Yeah, we have this. It's really selective. It's really nice. Okay. Then okay, this is the last year project. Yeah, we went to the we have the collaboration with Makarim and Tyra, and actually this is the, what do you call it?
Collaboration. Collaboration with the industry.
Yeah, collaboration with industry, but we got the money actually. Yeah, we got the money from the from Makarim, and it's quite big money. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it is.
I wish I got that.
I wish too. Okay, then. Okay, but maybe can.
All right. So a few years ago, we got a really good collaboration with Manik Maya. That's a board game publisher, one of the biggest, I guess, in Indonesia. And one of the project was creating a illustration for the board game box, basically. Yeah. So this is one of the example of the project that we got. So this 3 students with the designer, Sir Brendan, and on the right-hand side, that's the final result that's been chosen by KPK. Yeah.
It's really nice work, actually. Yeah. Okay.
Next,
and this is this is the community development. Yeah, you can. I think you already know that every student in BINUS have to have the SAT. Yeah. It's about 120, I think, points that you can join with something like this. Yeah, then you're gonna have the social hours points for that. It's actually it's really fun. Yeah, it's really fun. We usually have it every year. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And this is some students were hired for Asian Games. Yeah, for Asian 2 years ago. It's really nice. Yeah.
Yeah, so we got a chance 2 years ago, I think, during the Asian Games, since the office was in effect as well, so we got the opportunity to get close with them and then ask them to get an internship for our students. Yeah, so I guess we're still trying to have something like this. Yeah, if we have a good opportunity, we always trying to grab them.
Yeah. It's really nice to have this. And this is very interesting. Okay, bye. You have it.
So yeah, we also have what we call a research program. Yeah, for this one, we got one of our students from design, and one student from design, one student from computer science. We combine the skill to create this research together. Yeah, so what displayed here basically is a VR, creating an application in VR for people who got ADHD, things like that. Yeah, so we test with actual doctors, we test with actual kids, and then we developed it together with computer science program.
And this work is collaboration with siapa, Pak?
Sir Dahana and Dr. Chin from RSTM.
Yes. So this is the real project for psychologic field.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's still continuing, so hopefully next year we can grab more students to join with us to create more awesome stuff, basically.
Yeah. So you're gonna have fun with play with the game actually.
So
okay.
This is the last slide, I think.
Yeah, it is.
If you have any question, go ahead. But if not, I want to.
If you have a question, just ask.
In the meantime, I'm
Sir,
going to.
I have.
Yeah, go ahead.
So
Who are you?
for the
Maybe
portfolio week,
you can explain yourself first. Maybe
are we
you
still
can
gonna
explain
have
yourself
portfolio week
first.
for this year?
Yes, it's Cliff.
Oh, Cliff. Okay, Cliff.
It's Claire. Hi, Miss.
Yes.
So for the portfolio week, are we still gonna have it for this year? Because it's supposed to be our turn, right? For like the fifth semester students to have our portfolio week. So
yes.
I was wondering like if we're gonna still have it or not.
We're going to have it,
supposed to, yes.
Yeah,
hopefully,
but in digital format for
or maybe I don't know, maybe in digital things that we have to manage it settings. But still, we're gonna do the portfolio days, of course, yeah.
Okay.
We prepare. If we can meet, yeah, maybe in the last semester, the 5th semester, maybe next year, maybe we can do it, yeah. If not, we already prepare for the online exhibition.
Maksud saya setelah dioperasi atau sebelum dioperasi.
Okay, any questions?
Lebih sakit.
You guys have any question? You can
just ask. Just ask. That's fine. No problem at all. What is the?
I think he meant GD in specific, I think.
What is a graphic design? That's like I mentioned before, the graphic design is something that you do in the printed area, yeah.
Printing area.
That's mean you have to print all your works, yeah. Something like the stationery means that like the start from the logo, and then you put on the letterhead, you put on the name card or something like that. And then you have the packaging, you have the publishing. Yeah. Usually we use the publishing like the newsletter, like the books or something like that.
Yeah, Ms. Mita, I'm in the 615 now. This is the pre-press printing.
Okay, maybe you can show.
Yeah, this is one of the classroom. Let me just check one of the student project that scattered here. Whose work is this? Widuri Ruth Karisa? Yeah.
Bye. Can you show the image, Bye?
The what?
The image, because that's not show on the Zoom. The video. That's your video.
Really?
Yeah. It's still in the room 617.
All right, I think I'm using different account, Miss Mita.
Oh, you using yours, but you are a host though on the Bayu's account.
Oh yeah, it's okay. Just pin my video if you want. But basically, I'm on the India 615, and I'm going to tour around. If you all can. Check.
Okay, that's it in
Thank
the
you.
pre-press room, yeah.
Yeah, this is press room. So there you go. So that's
Wow, it looks really nice.
yeah. This one we have the studio one, 616 room. And as you can see, we have, oh my God, they changed it. This is supposed to be not like this, but anyway, so they managed to have an extra room for this one, yeah. So you can use this one for the, if you're using laptop, you can use this desk, so you can play around with that. But if you need a Mac, we also have the Mac area. So you can use both one, basically. Yeah. They installed the camera here as well, that's cool. And that projector is interactive, so you can play around, touch stuff, and they will do all sort of magic stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
The TV is normally we use for VR, yeah. And that's the lecturer's desk. We also have a 3D printer that hasn't been opened yet. So hopefully next year we're going to use it.
Oh.
Right. So we can move on. That's Sir Wincha. Hello, sir.
Yes, our director campus.
Are we going now? 601, I think. Yeah, so this is the student lobby, student lounge, where a student can just, you know, sit around and enjoy.
Can you turn around and give us the look for the, there you go. It's really nice view.
So that's mural is made by our alumni as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next year you can change if you want. Go ahead. So that's where the auditorium is. And then beside it, that's the 601. That's where the final year student can work. Yeah. So we also display all the illustration or the student work nicely there. Yeah.
We dedicated that class for the last year, yeah, for the last year student.
This is the example of packaging project. Yeah, that displayed here.
It's nice.
And then, yeah, this is basically the inside of those work. This is studio photography work that we displayed. Yeah, and this is new. This blind is new. That's cool.
Yeah. This is new.
Because it's normally really hot in here.
It's and hot and bright, yeah.
Yeah. Let me try to open one. Oops, I don't know.
Be careful. You're gonna break it.
I'm too afraid. Yeah. So basically, this is where finally a student can discuss and work their stuff. Basically, yeah.
Yeah. It's really nice.
That's some of the project, and that's another student project as well. Her final year project was creating a packaging from shoes, shoe box basically. Yeah, so really nice. Right. Let's move on to drawing room. I think that's the final room that we're going to show.
Yes, go ahead. Can you take a look at the auditorium a little bit? Just.
Can we let me open
it? Yes, we cannot open it. That's fine. No, maybe you can show from the window.
All right. I hope you can see.
There you go. It's really nice place.
So I think for the FYP opening one is from that room.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. It's the coldest room in FX, basically.
Yeah, it is.
This used to be our room.
What? And this one is also.
This is our studio as well.
Yeah.
It's closed. But yeah, normally we have a really good, how do you call that, a composition for the thing. All right, on this left, this one is our Mac lab. So this is no one. All right, let's see. Since this is drawing room, we're going to go inside. Really hidden, really good. So there you go. So on the first year, you can use this if you want to go for a little bit creative or sketchy if you want. We have the stand if you want to do modeling. I think it's nice that they prepare this screen now. Yeah. So easels, and behind that supposed to be a desk for you to use as well.
It's really nice, yeah, to have this kind of.
Yeah, it's hidden there.
Yeah.
So some hidden artwork are displayed. All right. So who's catching on this?
what that is?
It's okay though. It's cool.
It's okay. Yeah, that's fine. No problem.
Ada Axel itu.
Fine, Axel.
Oh, Axel.
Wah.
But looks
All right,
good.
that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much the campus tour for now.
That's fine.
All right, I'm going to head back to photography lab. Oops.
Can you see the aisles with a lot of image over there? Remember the aisles?
Oh yeah. Hold on, that's true. I haven't gone to the area. Let's see.
That aisles is really nice.
This
actually.
fashion locker. So
Yeah,
that's fashion lab.
That's the fashion lab.
Oh, for fashion design.
Yeah, more fashion
Yeah.
lab. Fashion lab. This is cool.
This
A lot.
that's for knitting actually.
Yeah.
There
So,
you go. It's really nice.
So this aisle is where we do our artwork. Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to change the image, yeah, just propose your idea to us and
then we can have a look.
Yeah, we can
Right.
we can manage it. It's really nice though.
Oops. Yeah, I think that's need to be fixed.
That's, yeah,
All right, so we go back to the
studio. Back to the studio. Hi, hello, Shirley.
That's Coffee Express.
That's a mannequin, Shirley. There you go.
So yeah, we have a lot of equipment here. Everything is hidden here, as you can see. And a lot of props that we can use for photography are displayed here as well. Yeah. All right, I'm going to turn off my camera.
Okay.
And go back to the slide. So we have Q&A session.
Okay. Thank you very much, Bai. And I think there's our campus tour and also the little explanation about the GDNM, about the curriculum. Then if you, I know all of us has miss the FX, yeah. We miss how we can go to the classroom, how we can talk, yeah, we can eat together, something like that. I know that hopefully next year we can do it again, yeah. Any questions?
Wait, let me check the chat.
The chat is, they are all say that they miss campus.
I know, me too. This is my first day back in FX. I really enjoyed it.
I haven't come to the campus yet. Sorry, Bai.
That's unfair, sir.
Desmat online sounds painful. Oh, painful, but it's lovely.
This is really cool, right? Actually, painful, but it's gonna make you tough, though.
Stronger, yeah. Yeah, lobby is really good for sleeping, but be careful. Someone can take photos of you and make stickers from that.
Yeah, that's what we did, eh?
Ooh. Oh yeah, you can see the virtual campus tour on IG as well, so that's cool. Okay, will I learn to do 3D modeling in IDM? Yes, you have 1 semester of 3D modeling on semester 6, basically, yeah. Right.
Anything else that you want to ask?
Well, I think that's all from the chat. That's new message.
Yeah. That's the new.
All right. Anyone else want to share something from the leader? Want to talk something? Go ahead.
For the president leader? Okay. I think from us, from Bayu and me, done ya, Bay?
Yeah.
We are done. So we give it back to Hans.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Pak Bayu.
Thank you. Miss Mita.
Ada question?
Before, I'm for the campus in FX is very nice.
Yeah, thank you very much. It is nice.
There is a many room. There is a room for drawing room for graphic design. The MacLab for graphic design.
For us also, yeah.
Yes.
MacLab is for both GD and GD and IDM because in there you're going to learn Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign.
Yes. In the MacLab.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wish I can go to the MacLab to learn.
Yeah, of course. Next year.
Next year.
So, 2021.
Yeah.
The printing press in 2021 is can in semester 2 printing press.
Yeah.
In FX9 we do later.
Yeah.
Oh, the printing press. I think I saw the room. And for the materials in campus. For the materials, Ms. Mita.
What kind of materials?
For graphic design.
For graphic design, for the materials, maybe Haynes, maybe you can tell what is the materials that we need.
Haynes.
Materials for ini ya.
Graphic design.
For the maybe for the first years it's not that much, yeah. That's what do you call it? As a pencil, ya kan?
Yeah,
sketchbook, pencil only ya.
Sketchbooks, A3, A4, any sketchbook.
Drawing pens as well. Yeah.
Drawing pens.
And drawing pen also, yeah.
Especially
the poster color.
Yeah.
Poster colors.
So of course, if you buy the poster color, maybe you need for the brush also. But anyway, the lecturer's gonna let you know what you're gonna have. But mostly it's the same thing.
Will we be provided with the drawing softwares?
We have the Adobe family software in our lab. Yeah. So yeah, if you're going to the lab next year, you'll get that basically. But most of our students are
on the first year, usually
happy downloading themselves. So it's up to you if you want to install it on your laptop. But we provide all the Adobe family application in our lab.
Yeah.
If you need to go there, you can. I think it's by invitation, yeah, Ms. Mita, yeah. Because
you have to go to SS to ask permission to come to the FX things, yeah. Actually, for the drawing software, we don't, what do you call that? We don't expect you to have a special, particular drawing software, yeah. We usually use only Adobe Illustrator, but so you can do your drawing in any kind of application.
Yeah, because basically it's only a tools, yeah. You can use any software that you think it's good for you. You can even use PowerPoint or Excel if you want. If you know,
for drawing, yeah. If you okay, yeah, I know. You are the expert.
But yeah, go ahead.
Anything else you have to ask?
If anybody have any questions?
Don't worry. Don't get stressed from now. You have to have a lot of fun. Yeah, kan? Yeah, Hens? Ivan?
Yeah.
You're gonna have fun. You're gonna have fun, right? In the
Yes.
Yeah, if you have a lot of things, that's a lot of things to work, but so you have to have fun. Yeah. See that how many months? That's almost 6 months. Yeah. Almost 6 months. Then you already missed the class, right? You already missed the campus. Yeah. You want to come. So yeah.
Someone said, which one is better for drawing, SAI or Adobe? Well, for now, I think I'll go with SAI, I guess. Yeah. Well, I'm trying to get away from Adobe, but Adobe is the industry standard anyway. So, yeah, both are okay. The most important thing is to hone your skill with pencil and paper first. Then you can transfer that into any digital software easily. Well, easily. Go ahead.
So
yeah, actually for the drawing class we don't what do you call that? The particular the special software for that.
No, yeah.
But why we use Adobe? Because Adobe it goes international. Yeah, if you went to the Northumbria, they have Adobe. When you go to the United States, they have Adobe. That's
most companies are using Adobe as their standard.
That's why we use it. But if you but not for the drawing. Drawing you can use anyone, yeah. So I love Saib because there is stabilizer, but MacBook doesn't have it. Yeah.
Oh, that's sad. Yeah, it's okay. You don't have to use a Mac if you don't have it.
Yeah.
Yeah, both PC, both Windows or Mac are
same
just
now.
as capable as that one. So go ahead.
Yeah. For you, if you don't want to buy Mac, yeah, that's fine also. Yeah. Don't. But usually graphic design use the Mac. But if you don't want to, that's fine also.
That's fine.
Yeah. Just up to you. Clip Studio Pandas. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's good. I think some of our students now are starting to create drawing using iPad as well. Procreate is a new
right.
Yeah, Script been using that. So I want one.
Yeah.
We don't have the budget, Dennis.
No, we don't. But if someone asks, do we have to have the tablet? Yeah. With the pencil, yeah, I know it will be nice if you have it, but if you don't have it, that's fine also. Yeah. I usually draw with the pad. What do you call that on the laptop? I don't use mouse actually. I don't use tablet. I use the pad.
She's using mouse. Using the pad.
I use the hand with the pad on my laptop.
So good. So is it okay to use Procreate? Basically, yes. If you can just transfer it and show it to us, and you can use it to, export it from Procreate to different medium that you need, it should be okay. Yeah. So no restriction on us in this case, but what we teach here is the basic Photoshop and Illustrator. After that, you can use any kind of software that you think is appropriate for you. Yeah. The reason why we teach Photoshop and Illustrator is because, again, Adobe is widely used in the industry and yeah, and they use it there. So that's the thing. So we want to have something like when you graduate from us, you've learned Adobe software and
universal.
Yeah, and then you once you go to the industry, you already know those software.
Yeah.
To use.
Basically, that's yeah. You are welcome.
Anybody else?
Anything else? Maybe Hans, you want to singing or you want to?
No. Nggak bisa, guys.
Dancing? Okay, so I give the floor to you, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.
See you soon.
Thank
Yeah.
you,
Are we done? Okay.
Nanti ada itu lagi kan?
No, not done. But I gave the mic to
All right.
yeah.
Go ahead, Hans and the team. Thank
And
you.
have fun.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, miss.
We're ahead of time, so we're just gonna use
more break.
Terus sekarang ngapain?
I don't know. Maybe you want to share something. You want to share a story when you are in the GDNM for the first year.
Yvonne?
That's fine. How you, if it means that you are really it's go smooth, or you might maybe struggle, or maybe you, I don't know. It's up to you.
I really can only suggest that everyone shouldn't belittle the assignments given. So it'd be best if you guys have a timetable, kind of, prioritizing which one is more important than the others.
Time management.
But finish it on time before the deadline as well. So don't procrastinate is what I can suggest.
That's really the ideal is like that. Yeah. You have the timetable, you have to manage the time. But okay, let's see. I don't know. The first year is I think for me that's the most what do you call it? That's the most tough, yeah. That's the most tough years, yeah. Yeah, because you have to manage your time, go from the high school and then go to the campus. You're gonna feel like hey, I'm free, something like that, yeah. I'm free. Then you meet with the lecturer that's only once a week. Then things that you still have long time. Yeah. Oh, it's still 7 days more, 6 days more, but time goes very fast. Then after that you meet the deadline. Yeah. Then you have to work in one night to finish it. Yeah. That's happened actually. Yeah. So what Ivan said, that is it true? Time management is really important. I know it is hard, especially because you don't come to the campus, you don't meet your friend, you don't meet the lecturer. It's really hard, I know. But but things that this is not only you, yeah, but us also, and also me, yeah. I have to stay at home. Then things that you have to have the mental, yeah, actually the mental. You have to be more mature, yeah, on the time. Hopefully everything is in the first year is going well, then it's gonna be easier to go to the next year, to the next step, I think. Yeah, I think the first year is very, very tough year. Yeah. Okay. What else? What else you can share? You have to keep health, yeah, because we have a lot of projects, right? And also usually on the first years that someone give you already a job, yeah. And I mean outside job, right? Yeah. Then for you, oh, this is the opportunity, and then you try to get the job, and you forgot about your work for the homework and something like that. Yeah. Well, it's happened, but just if you keep in track, then you will be fine. Yeah, Hans. Don't judge.
It's a stressful first semester. See.
Hence, you are going to the IDM, huh?
Yeah, benar.
Ivan?
Yeah, I'm also IDM.
Okay. Wilbert also ya?
Yeah.
Yes,
Excel juga ya.
Excel is IDM also. Oh, this is all IDM. Bye. You have a lot of student here. Go to IDM. This is Haynes. This is Ivan, and then there's Axel. Axel is the one that drawing on the That's fine. And also Wilbert.
Hello.
So all of you goes to the IDM, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, that's nice.
Miss Mita.
Shanika juga, Miss. Shanika juga.
Shanika, yeah, I know.
Mita.
Miss. Oh, ada.
Yes. Yes, Aswin.
The new media is in semester 1 until 8. 1 until 8, yeah. The graphic design and new media double. The major. We have the same material in the first year, yeah. And then after that we go on the second year. You have to choose which one you like. You go to the graphic design and go to the IDM. Graphic design. I'm just.
That's up to you. Up to you.
You can choose if you're if 4 year you can study in Northumbria.
Yeah, you can stay 4 years in the BINUS, yeah, with us, or you can stay 3 years in the BINUS and then the last year you go to Northumbria.
The last semester.
Last year. So you're gonna have 1 year in the Northumbria.
In the Northumbria of 1 year, from 2023 until 2024.
Yeah.
In where? Northumbria in where, Miss Mita?
Newcastle.
In United Kingdom.
UK.
Yeah, UK, yeah.
From Jakarta to UK, fly or just transit from Jakarta to UK.
Yeah, you go by flight. You go
from Jakarta to UK. You can is direct flight or transit from Jakarta to UK.
Bisa one way sih.
Ada one way ya.
Ada.
I think it's up to you.
Transit ada.
Ya, ada transit juga.
Di mana transitnya?
I don't know.
Depend.
No, honey, we don't know.
Depend on your flight.
I'm not the pilot.
Depend on the flight.
Okay.
Maybe you can think about that later, yeah, because you just start the class, but that's good if you already have your what do you call it? Have your plan, yeah, to go there. That's fine, but don't take too hard now, okay? Yeah, just take it easy. Just keep flowing, yeah. Enjoy your class, enjoy your life, and do your work, yeah. And it's gonna be fine. Don't get stressed now.
Miss, ada yang nanya lagi tuh.
Yes.
Which is more recommended option, to go to Northumbria or stay in?
Oh well, okay. It's again. This depend on you, yeah. It's depend on you. To be honest, for my opinion, if you can go, yeah, you can go Northumbria. It will be nice. It will be nice because you're gonna learn a lot of things. Yeah, a lot of things. You're gonna learn how you live, how you manage your time alone. Yeah, how you appreciate another things. Yeah, but that depends, right? That's not easy to go there. That's not what they call it. That depends on your money, depends on your situation. That's a lot of things that you have to prepare on that. But well, just remember, if you stay in BINUS, you're gonna meet me again. Yeah, that's right. No hands, yeah. Okay, that's so that depends on you. But if you can make it go to the North Umbria, it will be nicer. For me, yeah, for me, for
More
myself.
experience, yeah.
But again, that's depend on you. Both is nice actually, but depend the situation.
Yeah.
If you can learn something out because over there, it will be nice. But if you cannot do that, it will be nice also because you can meet me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any more questions? Don't be shy, guys. Nanya aja.
Mendingan ask now loh, later itu loh.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard to ask later.
Later kejebak kayak FL leader kalian ya.
Iya, kalau enggak yang ditanya mereka ya, kamu ya. So hence that we gonna get two foreign students, right?
I think so. Oh yeah.
Do you know that?
Enggak. Who's this?
I forgot the names.
Foreign, I mean like.
Foreign, like from other country.
Yes.
Foreign exchange.
From other country.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I don't think I managed to ask who was the exchange student, but then.
Is it the Koreans?
I don't know.
Youngju sama Yunuk? Yeah, kan?
Where is Youngju? Oh, I see her. Hi.
I'm not sure.
They are here now?
Yeah, I think they're here.
Okay.
Yeah, she's there. I see Youngju here.
Oh, okay. There you go.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else? Any questions? Don't hesitate. Don't be shy. Looks like yeah. I know that Yvonne Haynes in the first semester it looks really quiet. Yeah.
Yeah.
But not now. But
no,
not now.
I'm kind of noisy in the first semester. Sama Shanika.
Really? And now it's more.
Yeah.
I'm always missed. Everyone can agree with that.
Apalagi Shanika.
Oh, Shanika is already talkative from the first from the first day, yeah.
Yes.
Already talkative, yeah. It's really nice actually to have her. Bye.
Yeah.
You are so lucky to have her. Bye. And also Ivan, also Hans, Excel.
Any IDM student is really, really good for me. So you're going to enjoy a lot of new stuff, I guess. Yeah.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah, Bayu is really helpful lecturer. Really.
Really?
Yeah, you are. I said
Nanti
so.
juga ada Sir M juga kan?
Yeah, I'm Mr. M.
Oh yeah, we have our FM here. We have Sir M, we have Miss Dila, and we have Sir Will.
Miss Jane.
Miss Jane here? Really?
No, not now. I mean, yeah, who is in the graphic design? You're gonna meet me again, yeah. For the semester 3, you're gonna have me. Yeah, so enjoy your life. Okay, Hans, I give it the mic to you, but I have keep talking.
I don't know what to say. Yeah, basically, like, the first semester, among a lot of work to do. So, like, I think I suggest not get any outside work for the first semester because there's going to be a lot of work you need to do.
Yes.
And focus more on that. Yeah, and keep healthy, basically.
That's Mr. M actually here.
Where?
Mr. M?
Is he here?
Yeah. Bye.
Yes.
Oh.
Mr. M, say something, Mr. M. Can you say something? Yoo-hoo.
Is he here?
Thank you so much, Bu.
Yeah, there you go.
Lovely.
Oh iya, ada Sir M. Ya, mau foto dulu nggak? I think we have a photo session.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Can you all open your
camera,
video?
please.
Yeah.
I cancel spotlight.
Bye. Can you take a look to the camera?
Oh man, hold on. Let me play around. Alright, hold on.
Zoom in some.
Okay, it's okay. Wilbert, you can give your photo, yeah.
Yep, here we go. All right.
All right.
Okay.
Jesse?
Who gonna take a picture?
Jesse.
Jesse.
Oh.
Come on.
Screenshot dong. Please and thank you.
Is Jesse here? Jesse.
I can't find
Yeah,
her. Where?
Oh, tuh, udah.
Okay. How many layers we have?
There's 3 slides.
Okay.
All right, cool.
There's 2 here.
First layer.
Yeah.
3.
Okay.
2. 1.
Wow, I like that sound.
Yeah.
Really retro.
Second layer. 3,
Okay.
2, 1. Okay.
Nice. Okay, I think
That's
it ya.
Yeah,
I think
thank
that's
you.
it for today.
Cool.
Nanti
Okay,
ada meeting lagi ya, Miss?
Yes, in 1 o'clock, I think.
1 o'clock, we have a session with academic advisory.
Is it with you or?
And also with you, I think some of did you get the list?
Yeah, but I don't have the name yet.
We got the list, but then like there's no name of the speaker, so.
Oh, okay, hold on. How can I share it to you?
I think I give it to you, Brad, bye.
You can share it into MS Teams if you have, sir, or not in Zoom chat if you want.
Wait, Mit.
Yours?
Kamu punya buku ininya ya, listnya ya? Do you have the list?
Yes, I put on the WhatsApp. I'm sorry.
Can you share it to Yvonne so she can?
Sure.
Yeah, I haven't checked my email today, or since
Yeah.
the weekend. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, so you'll get the list from Miss Mita, and you can just make it a break room or something.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna have in the break room actually.
Okay.
Then there you go. Yvonne, do I have your number, Yvonne?
Yes, on WhatsApp, yes.
You have mine, right, Miss?
Consulted with
Apa?
Consulted with you.
Yeah, I know. What is your ini? Your profile? Hey, can you start WhatsApp me first then? Okay, there you go. Oh yeah, that's the one. Okay. That's the with the black things, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
I think we got what I sent to you. Yeah. There's the name of the student, and then there's the VL, right? And the VL things.
I think we're done for now, yeah. Nanti, you guys can come back at 1. There's going to be another meeting.
Yes, with the
Same
same
link or?
with the same link. Yeah.
Yeah, same link.
Yeah, with the same link. All until September 11, we have the same link.
Okay, cool.
Okay,
Okay.
you guys can leave now. Don't forget to come back at 1.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.
Don't forget to eat.
See you soon.